Good evening, everybody. Today is January 2nd, 2022. Happy New Year to everybody. We will go through entire stock market and I will try to cover most sectors. If there's any particular stock or sector you want me to cover, then please comment on the video below and in my next video, I will cover that. Okay, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently around 47,500. This is the daily chart. The good thing about Bitcoin is if you look at weekly chart, it's still holding 50 EMA support. So 50 EMA is the red line, and you can see how many times it held 50 EMA. Even in May when we had a big crash, it held 50 EMA on a weekly with this red line. There was a good support here, also a good support here. So basically, this looks like an uptrend. We're making higher highs. So you can see this is first high, then low, second higher high, and second low. As long as we don't go beyond 40,000, I think this is still in an uptrend. You can see Bitcoin is consolidating for how many weeks now? More than 4 weeks now. So it's consolidating. So that's letting price and all EMA lines to kind of settle, and Bitcoin could be preparing for a next big move to the upside. These are Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are also, they have a lot of room, so it can definitely go easily up to 66K if it fires to the upside. On the downside, this can also go, if this thing breaks and if it goes below 40K, then that's not going to be good. So your first level of support is around 45K. If Bitcoin breaks below 45K, keep an eye. You need to be very cautious. Looking at Ethereum weekly chart, you can say Ethereum is holding 20 EMA line very nice. So white line is 20 EMA line, that is 50 EMA. So this is weekly chart. So weekly chart, you can see it fell below, came down to around 3580 level, and now they are recovering it. In less than half an hour, we'll have a weekly close. So if Ethereum closes above 3860, then this is going to be really good signs for Ethereum. Looks like they're trying to do that. You can see there's a lot of momentum going on right now. Okay, now moving to US 100, which is Nasdaq. I can even use NDX chart for you. On a weekly, this is such a strong bull trend. You can see since COVID crash in May 2020, it's been like going up like crazy. We can go do a daily analysis on this. If you do daily analysis, you can see Friday we had some bearish momentum. Still we have very strong bull trend, and still we made a lower low. It looks like this was a bear trap, and they recovered the market instantly. So now we have a higher high. We might be able to find support right where we are right now, or this 13 EMA line is around 16269. So look for that. I think we will make a bounce here. This also looks like a kind of a bull flag. So this pattern, if I draw like a trend line here, and usually the target of bear flag is if you take from the flag post to here, and then you move this to whenever it breaks out. Let's say it can happen here, it can happen here. So usually the targets are around 17,500 if this breaks to the upside, but it looks like a bull flag to me. Going to SPX, which is S&P 500, same thing. You can see another we are in the middle of forming a flag here, same as NDX. And then for the price target, if you want to take from the flag post to the top, and you move this to whenever it breaks out, you can see we can easily go above 5,000 on SPX. So that's your price target for SPX. Gold. Before I go, let's go cover gold. Gold is in this big range. You can see they did a lot of fake out. You can see how many times they did fake out, but now it's consolidating. If you draw a trend line, gold is on a very nice trend line. It's a very, very nice trend line. So gold is looking bullish. Basically, you can see it has it's still not a full bull trend. In order to have chart full bull trend, this 20 EMA line need to cross over 50. This can happen tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. It can happen anytime. So gold is looking very bullish. It made a big, huge move on Friday. It might come down to this 5 EMA line around 1819 or 1820, and before it makes another next move to the upside. Silver will basically do follow gold, so keep an eye on gold and trade silver accordingly. If gold is bullish, this is also looking bullish. US oil. US oil is looking really, really strong, guys. You can see it dipped and instantly they recovered. Now it's again chart is making higher highs. There's a big resistance here around $76. You can see how many times it tagged. So it's consolidating around there, and then it can move to near $85 target as well. So US oil is looking very bullish. Also, I want to cover Dow Jones, which is usually industrial and financial stocks. Also, you can see Dow Jones is also making a bull flag here. So same concept as NDX. It can also break to the upside. You can just take a distance from flag to the post flag, post to the top, and then that's the thing. US200, however, I'll cover ETF, which I have some zones there defined for US100, which will give you. So IWM is the ETF you can use to trade US200, 2000, sorry, that's small caps. So here are all the levels I drew. So it's kind of consolidating under 50 EMA. So in order for this to become bullish, it needs to really, there's a massive gap here around 228. So it needs to go over that. So still it's a big range. You can see all year, last year did nothing, just bounced around the range. So it could be this year where it can just break out. So it could be a very good time to invest in small caps, US 2000, which is also Russell 2000 index. And yeah, that kind of covers main market sectors. If you want me to cover any particular coin or any other sectors, please let me know that. Have a good day, guys. Bye.